We'll continue the questions with area related to circles. Question number 9 is easy. You try as homework for you. Question number 9 is homework. Okay, see question number 10. Question number 10. That is the area of an equilateral triangle ABC. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. Okay, with each vertex of the triangle, with each vertex of the triangle edge center, the circle is drawn. Circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the sides of the triangle. Length of the sides of the triangle. Okay, find area of the shaded region. Find area of the shaded region. Given root 3, you have to take 1.73205. Pi, you have to take 3.14. Okay, see the diagram. Diagram is like this. There is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Half of the side means one circle is drawn here. Okay, another circle is drawn here. Third circle is drawn here, but it has to touch. Sorry. But all equal here. So you are asked to find area of this. So each angle is 60 degree. Okay, how to find? The area of the shaded part is area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. 1 sector, 2 sector, 3 sectors. So what is area of sector? The R you have to find out. R is not given. So what is given to us? Area of the triangle is given. Okay, area of the triangle, area is given to us 17320.5. What is area formula? The root 3 by 4 a square 17320.5. That implies root 3a square equals to 1730320.5 into 4. Okay, then a square equals to 17320.5 divided by root 3. What is root 3 value? The 1.73205. This is a square into 4 into 4. Okay, now look at here. If you have to remove decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros required. That means 17320.5 1.73205 into 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, then 4. So what you'll get? Then you'll get a square equals to, say decimal, one digit means 1 0 gone, 1732005. If 1 0 is gone, 4 0 left out. 1 2 3 4 into 4 divided by 1732005. Decimal gone, zeros gone. Now this is cancelled. The a equals to root over of 1 2 3 4 into 4. That means 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then 100 multiplied by 2. So a is equal to 200 centimeter. Okay. Then what is radius? Now half the side. Radius equals to r equals to 2r is a here, because this is total r and r. So r is equal to a by 2. Means 200 by 2. 100. The area of shaded part. Area of shaded part equals to area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. So put the values. What is area of triangle? 17320.5. This is area of triangle given to us. Theta by 360 pi r square. Okay, so that is how much? 17320.5 minus 60 by 360, 3.14, 100 into 100. Okay, 0 cancel, 6. So it became 17320.5 minus, after decimal 2 digits, 2 zeros gone, 314 into 100 by 6. Okay, 314 को easy method is divide 314 with what? With 6. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 1 4. 6 2s are 12. 2.0. 6 3s are 18. 2 0. 3. Repeating it will go like this. So 17320.5 minus 52.33 into 100. The 17320.5 minus 5233. You can subtract. Five, 7, 8, 0, 12. 12, 0, 7, 12 0 87.5. Sorry, we had a mistake here. What mistake is there? It has to be multiplied by 3 na. 3 sectors hai na, into 3 into 3. So this was the mistake. 3 2s are, sorry, mistake. So 17320.5 minus 15.7 into 100, because this divided by 2 is 15.7. Sorry. 157. तो 17320.5 15700 minus 0.502 1620.5. I think correct. Okay, see the next question. So next question is, try question number 11 also. Okay, question number 11 you will try. So you find out, is not that difficult. Question number 11 is homework. Question number 12. OACB is a quadrant. OACB is a quadrant. Okay, of a circle with center O and radius 3.5. If OD equals to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant OACB. Second is shaded region. Try to see. This is a quadrant. Quadrant means 90 degree. Then you are given there is another triangle. This is shaded part. Okay. What else is given? Radius 3.5. This will become a radius for us. This is 3.5. That means R equals to 3.5. Okay. So R is 3.5 means, what is area of theta is 90 degree. The area of quadrant theta by 360 pi r square. The first one is done. Shaded part. Shaded part means quadrant minus triangle. This is also 3.5. Then this is 2, I think given. Yes. OD. This is O. This is A. This is D. B. This is 2. 2 means half base into height. The area of shaded part area of shaded part, area of sector minus area of triangle. Triangle means half into 3.5 into 2. This area of sector we'll get from here. Put it, solve it. Simple question, no need to solve in detail, you will do it. Okay. Similarly, question number 13 you see. Question number 13. OABC square OABC is inscribed in a quadrilateral. Sorry, inscribed in a quadrant. Inscribed in a quadrant. What is that quadrant given to us? Quadrant OPBQ. OPBQ. If OA equals to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equals to 3.14. This is also simple question. I will tell you what to do. There is a quadrant. This is a quadrant. O, A, B, C. There is a square. Okay, you are asked to find area of the shaded part, this one. Okay, now if this is any part of circle, this is your diameter, sorry, this is your radius, center to this is your R. How to find R? Now OA is given 20 centimeter, this is 20. So how to find? This is 20 means this is also 20. What is diagonal of a square? What is the formula? Root 2 into side. Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is root 2 into side. Diagonal is which one? OB. Root 2 into side. Side is 20. So OB means what? Radius. R is equal to 20 root 2. Okay. Then what is area of shaded region? Area of shaded part. Area of quadrant minus area of square. Quadrant means theta to 90 degree. So you can write here theta is 90 degree. So theta by 360 pi r square minus side square. Okay, pi is given you 3.14. Don't forget, pi is 3.14. Theta is 90, r is 20 root 2 whole square, side is 20 square. Try to complete. Simple question, try to solve. Similarly, 14 is homework for you. 14 is simple question. 14 already have done similar question earlier. Question number 14 is homework. Let's see. 15 is bit important question. Try to see. Question number 15. 15 is ABC is a quadrant of circle. ABC is a quadrant of circle of a circle of radius 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn, and a semicircle is drawn with BCS diameter. BCS diameter. Find area of the shaded region. Okay, so it's given to us like this. This is a quadrant ABC. ABC is a quadrant हो गया. Which one? ABC is a quadrant. Now BCS diameter. This is first you see. This is your quadrant. Okay, radius 14. This is 14. This is also 14. Achha. But this is not 14. This is how much you have to find out. How much you will find? Achha, BCS diameter, you have another semicircle. So this is a semicircle. Now what you have to do is you have to find area of the shaded part. See it carefully. So when I consider this semicircle, this part is coming. Okay. Now you have to remove from semicircle, you have to remove part 1. This is your part 2. From this semicircle, you have to remove your part 1. Then only you will get shaded part. Okay. So let me write down that one. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle minus part 1. This is part 1. The how to remove part 1? Part 1 can be removed from this sector minus triangle. So area of, you can therefore area of part 1 is area of sector minus area of triangle. Sector means this total minus triangle, part 1 will come out. So area of sector is what? The quadrant means theta by 360 pi r square minus half into AC into AB, base into height. 90 by 360, 22 by 7, 14 into 14 minus half into 14 into 14. You can cancel 1, 4, 7, 2, 2, 2, 2, 11, 2, 7. So 11 into 14, 154 minus 98. 56. Which one is 56? This part is 56. This part. Now semicircle. For semicircle, what you do? You should know the radius. This is your diameter now. Diameter means 2r. R and R. So how to find in ABC triangle? In ABC triangle, square of the longest side, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. So what will get? 14 square plus 14 square means 2 times 14 square you write, that is easy. There are 2 14. So BC equals to root over of 2 times 14 square. 1 14 square तो 14. 2 का root over is root 2. Okay. BC means what? BC means your diameter. 2r equals to 14 root 2. R is equal to 14 root 2 by 2. 7 root 2. Area of semicircle. That is pi r square by 2. Okay. Pi is how much? 22 by 7. 22 by 7. 7 root 2 whole square by 2. This 2 you have to write here. So what did you get? 2 the cancel here, 11. 11 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 2. Root 2 square is 2. How much you got? 154. Therefore, area of shaded part 154 minus 56, I think. Part 1. 154 minus 56. That is 98 centimeters square. Okay. Okay, see then the next question. Sixteen. Is calculate the area of the designed region. Calculate the area of designed region in the given figure. In the figure, common between two quadrants, common between two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 centimeter each. This is what you have to see. Two quadrants. Look at two quadrants how we are finding. One quadrant is this one. This became one quadrant. Got my point? Let's do it nicely. If you make it a square, Let's look at how to understand this. If I make it is a square now, because radius is 8 and 8. For this, you make one quadrant. And for this, you make another quadrant. You are asked to find this part. Okay. So to find that, if I suppose join this is A, B, C, D. Look at here. This is what? This is a sector. From the sector, if you remove this triangle, then you will find part 1. See it again. From the sector, if you remove this triangle, then you will get part 1. Similarly, from this side, from this sector, if you remove this part 2 from this sector, if you remove this triangle, you will get part 2, and 1 and 2 you have to add. So here you can say part 1 and part 2 are of equal area. Part 1 and part 2 are of equal area. Okay, the equal area means what is area of part 1? Area of part 1 is area of sector minus area of triangle. Sector means theta by 360 pi r square minus half into base into height, AB into AD. Theta is 90, pi 22 by 7, because pi is not given, then 8 into 8, minus half 8 into 8. This is part 1. So find out. Then same is part 2. Then you have to add those two. So try to complete. Once more I am telling you, this is a sector. From this sector, if you remove this triangle means everything is coming like this, then part 1 will be there. Similarly, from this sector, if you remove this triangle, that will be part 2. So part 1, part 2 are equal. Part 1 means area of sector minus area of triangle. So calculate. This chapter is completed. So all the examples are homework for you. This chapter is completed. So next class we will have a new chapter.